Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got our Allure beauty box, so let's get into it, see what's in here. The Allure beauty box is a $25 monthly beauty box. We will have 6 products. They say that we will have a value exceeding $100 and that 3 of our products will be full size. You can sign up through this directly through Allure Beauty Box, or if you want, you can sign up through Amazon. And if you are very diligent with your account, you can go on and see what is going to be each month in each month's box and then cancel it if you don't want that month. I've never been that diligent, but I have heard of others that have. We're gonna get right into this. I have absolutely no idea what is in here. This is my August box. When we open it up, we have our paperwork that will tell us a little bit about everything that's on the inside. Ooh, and then that is what we have. We are gonna glass right up. Right on top, we have a sample. It is Love Anne Klein Rose Absolute. It says it is the newest fragrance by Anne Klein. And the book, interestingly, says they are a sponsor, so they must have paid to be in the box. One whiff of this lush fragrance and you'll be transported to a dreamy garden. This blooming scent will give you a new appreciation for roses, which star in this bouquet of iris, freesia, and pear. Hints of bergamot and vanilla keep it from smelling powdery. If it were full-sized, it would be $50 for 3.4 ounces. I'm hesitant to do this because I am running my diffuser and my house smells like Pirates of the Caribbean right now. Hesitant to spray anything. Oh, it's not a spray. Okay, then we'll sniff it. I was gonna say, I'm hesitant to spray anything that will fight with that wonderful scent of Pirates of the Caribbean. If, by the way, you're wondering what I'm talking about, I put up a video. I have the Magical Candle Company oils. They are fantastic. Okay. It just comes out. It's not a spray. Oh, it's very nice, but there's no getting by the fact that it is rose. They can add in all of the other things that they want. This absolutely has a rose scent. I'm gonna put a little bit on because you guys know I enjoy a rose scent. And I like that I don't have to spray it and fight with my pirates. Oh, very rosy. Let's see how it dries down. I'm not always a huge fan of the samples that come like this because you have to take it on and off, and not getting it all over you or spilling it can add a degree of difficulty. In theory, I think that should not be one of our products. I'm not sure. Next out, also tiny. Ooh, and the lid not on really. It is something zero. It is Vanilla Co. USA Clean It Zero 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm. Removing stubborn, waterproof mascara and full coverage base products can feel like a chore, but this hydrating cleanser effortlessly melts it all away for a pampering makeup removal process. It would be $19 for 100 ml. This is tiny, but it's pink on pink. I don't think there's a chance I'm gonna be able, yeah, I can't see this. So I'm not sure how many mLs we got, but this is definitely one of our samples. When you take it off, it's just one of those, yeah, it's a real hard balm in there. I can't smell it. Unfortunately, all I can smell is rose. Taping in the living room again. I'm getting ready to pull another Alexandria Ryan. I'm gonna take just a skosh of this out and warm it in my hand. I just finished my Ipsy. I'm not sure which of these I'll put up first. Let's see how easy it takes off. Oh wow. I mean, it just wiped those away. Here's the Alexandria Ryan part I was talking about. I can't believe that. Oh my goodness, I have told myself that now that fall is about here, I'm going back upstairs to taping, so I know some of you will probably be relieved to know that. I will be back with all of my stuff and no longer cleansing myself with packaging. That took all of the makeup. I had a lippy and eyeshadows on here, just took it right away. I mean, if it's gonna work on waterproof mascara, powdered eyeshadow should not be an issue, but it wasn't, and it left my hand really soft. This will be perfect. I use these more in the winter. Even if I double cleanse, I just don't enjoy necessarily adding oil to my face in the summer, but I'll definitely give it a try. Next out, I have, wow, Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. I know people that absolutely love this product. You spray it on, I think you only have to do it like every 3 or 4 times you wash. It stops all of this frizz down here. And I think, let me read about it. I think it lasts through several washes. People, this is one of those cult products that the people who love it Love it. Inside this shiny bottle is liquid gold for those prone to frizz and flyaways. This smoothing styler forms an invisible shield on your hair like a raincoat against humidity as soon as it's activated by the heat of your blow dryer. If it were full-sized, it would be 6.7 ounces and $28. I know that you can pick this up on Amazon too. I will link that below in case you don't want the box, but you want to talk about this. I don't know if you guys follow over on Insta. Her name is Within the Grove. Actually, I think her name is Liz, but her call is Within the Grove. And she is beautiful. First of all, she's beautiful. And she has just gorgeous hair, but she lives in Florida. And I know that she uses this to pull through her hair to help keep the frizz away. And I'm telling you, you see her hair, you think, yes, I want to do whatever it is she's doing. Actually, I just got my hair cut yesterday. My stylist noticed I was using the Vegamore. Actually, she didn't know it was the Vegamore. She said, oh my gosh, what are you doing? Your hair is so healthy and you have so much hair growing in. I'm so excited. Anyway. Next out, we have a Laritzi. Haven't seen Laritzi in a hot minute. This is the lip gloss in Curve. We went through a while where we were having, ooh, that's a pretty color. We went through a while where we were having Laritzi in a lot of our boxes, but we haven't seen it lately. Laritzi Cosmetics lip gloss in Curve. Why you'll love it. Most glosses feel sticky at first swipe, but Laritzi's makes your lips feel pillow soft. A touch of this mauve pink delivers a sheer wash of color and shine on its own, but it also doubles as a pretty finishing touch all over any lipstick when you want some extra sheen. It is $16 and it is full size. Funny story about mauve. I thought mauve was pink. I used to interchange mauve and like Dusty Rose. And my mom and I were talking about something the other day, yarn, she's an avid knitter. And she said that one of her people was talking about mauve and we got on a whole mauve thing to the point where it made me Google mauve. And mauve is purple. I did not know mauve was purple. It said purple leaning like lilac or lavender with bluish tints. I thought mauve was pink. Let me know below. Did you think mauve was pink or purple? I thought it was pink. This is pink. Although, now that I say that, I could see where you could see some light purple in it. That is gorgeous. That is a very, very nice color for me. I'm gonna like that a lot. It looks nice too. It feels like a nice gloss. I can't tell if my lips are pillow soft or if it will be sticky, but actually, when I touch it, it doesn't feel sticky. It just feels kind of glossy, but not sticky. Where's that packaging? Goodness, yep, that's who I am now. Okay, next up, we have the Tula Skincare Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broad Spectrum SPF 30 UVA UVB Protection. Ooh, that is hard to show with all those shiny things. That is what that looks like. Let's read about it. I only use chemical sunscreens. I don't use any, nope. Just making stuff up there. I only use mineral sunscreens. Chemical sunscreens, I don't. A, my face tints do not like them, and B, they don't say the nicest of things about them. Let's see what this is. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable step in your routine, and this silky option is as comfortable to wear as it is effective, so there is no hesitation when it comes to applying it daily. Squeeze the tube and out comes a pearly goop, swirled with translucent bits of gel. Besides preventing sun damage, pineapple and papaya extracts gently exfoliate the skin, leaving you with a luminous, dewy finish. I cannot use pineapple and papaya. They are both exfoliants. I was gonna say, they are both aggressors to my skin, and I cannot use them, so it does not matter. But this is full size. It is $38 for 50 ml. Let's see the ingredients. I had to get my iPad out and my camera to make these bigger. That is very sad. But avobenzene is the first ingredient, and that is a chemical sunscreen. So I will set this aside to pass it forward, but that is what the tube looks like. If you don't mind chemical sunscreens, I'm sure this is a lovely one. Next out, we have brushes. It's LaRousse, my old friends. If you have been with the channel long enough, and this requires you to have been here for a couple of years, so if this is you, God bless you. And thank you so much for staying with me when, you know, I'm cleaning up with packaging and all of the other things. For a while, LaRousse was stalking me. They were in every box that I got so many LaRousse sets for a while, but here's the thing, and the thing that I came to learn, they are nice brushes. That's what we have this time. What is this little fella? Can you guys tell? It almost looks like, oh, how do I show you him? It has, see how sparse it is up top? And it's almost spiky looking. This is just a nice contour brush. Let's see what they think we're using these for. Like magic wands, more than makeup tools, these soft, fluffy bristles on these two brushes blend out your favorite powders and creams to such perfection, it looks like a professional has done your makeup. For this duo fiber brush, which is this odd little fella here, it says diffuse your foundation. I'm not. I'm really a full beat girl. I love a beauty blender, but I will probably try. I like that it's gonna pick up less, and I've been trying to embrace, especially with winter coming, cream blushes and the thoughts of having a nice creamy blush. And I think this might pick up less and deposit it nicer, so I will try it for that. This fella, I mean, that's a contour or a blush. He's whatever you want him to be. Okay, their brushes used to be crazy expensive. $48 for the set. So they're saying each one of these is $24. I don't ever buy brushes because we get so many in boxes, but they're nice brushes. Last out, I have a Bleu Aqua Balm Hyalucid 11% Serum. I don't know what that means. Let's find it on here. Hyaluronic acid has become known as a superstar ingredient for its hydrating powers, and there are 5 different types blended into Bleu serum for maximum dewiness. The addition of antioxidants like ferulic acid helps protect your skin barrier simultaneously. It feels lightweight going on, even though it's a heavy hitter for quenching dry, parched skin. If it were full-sized, it would be 15 ml for $32, and they say we have 5 ml, so we have about, let's just call it $11. It's really like $10.66. They say you can buy it at Ulta. I will read the other ingredients on this. I know that a lot of the Bleu products have licorice root in them, so I can't assume to sample it. Let me see if I can read it real quickly. Oh no. No, I cannot. There's 1,500 words on here. I will poke this right back in here until I know if I can use it. This month in our Allure beauty box. Don't look at the parts that I ripped off and or wiped off with. We got the Bleu Aqua Balm Hyalucid 11% serum with all of the hyaluronic acids in it. One of our full sizes was the Tula SPF. We have the 2 LaRousse brushes. Those are very nice brushes, and they are full-size products. We have the Larizzi Lippy, very pretty color, full-sized. We have the little Zero Skin Cleansing Balm and the Wow product, which I know so many people love the Wow to defrizz their hair. This, oh, Pretty Rose perfume. I don't know that I'm a huge fan, and you guys know I love rose. This one tends to smell more matronly to me. You know, I'm always trying on rose things and I'm like, it smells like rose, but it smells fresh, or it smells like rose, but my grandmother loved roses, but not until she was much older. So I'm always striving not to have that rose scent, more of a fresh rose scent. And this smells more like that matronly scent to me. That was what was in the August Allure beauty box. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here and open this with me. I hope I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.